and welcome back to our channel. Now we are heading towards Adina. I have hired a Toto and from Gajol it's around 10 kilometers. We are following NH 34.
Try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy
Adina Deer Park. It is just opposite of Adina Mosque actually, and this place also you can visit. There are some entry fee over there, and normally it is open from 9 to 4, and Thursday it remains closed. And there is the picnic spot. People may come here and do their picnic if they want. So let's visit the deer park and see. So here you need to purchase your tickets. Entry fee is rupees 10 per head. So we are 3 here, it's 30 rupees. Thank you. So this is how the park looks. They have declared it as plastic free zone. So they have tried to make this place plastic free zone. So you should not litter any plastics or any plastic bottles here. So, and since it is a Monday today and already the winter has gone, so we don't find any crowd here. But normally this area is quite crowded with picnickers and holidayers during winter months, and also if you come in weekends, especially on Saturday and Sunday. So let's roam about this park. There are some deers also. It's about a walk of 1 kilometer from the entry gate to the interior core of this deer park. So it's nicely surrounded by trees and preventing the hot summer rays, so that's also giving a pleasant walk we are having. This is the actual map of the deer park, how the deer park or this Adina forest has been laid out. And before entering the park there is a rest house also. I don't know how the booking of this particular guest house has to be made, but there is a nice guest house inside this forest. And this is the main area from where the deer park starts.
ওখানে নাকি আটকে দিয়েছে, দেখেছো? একটাও নো এন্ট্রি, ওটাও নো এন্ট্রি, মানে জঙ্গলের মাঝখানে নো এন্ট্রি। মনে হয় কি ব্যাপার আছে কি।
As you see, deer park, no horn please. Like a mini zoo actually. Here is some birds over there. There's a nice cockatoo. There's a nice cockatoo inside the cage. Then other birds are also there.
Lovebird.
Actually from the gate it is around.
Peacock.
Yeah. It is around 1.5 kilometers walk from the gate through the forest. Previously they were allowing electric rickshaws or totos inside, but now they are not allowing any vehicle. So you have to come by foot. হরিণ কোন দিকে গো? এই সামনে আরো না? These are the varieties of birds that are available here. These are the birds, that is Chinese golden pheasant, then cockatoos are there, Australian cockatoos are there. So these are the bird varieties. Now let's go and find where the deers are kept. Where the deers are kept. So yes, there is one. The deers have been kept in natural habitat like this, in a semi-forest type environment. You can see the deers over there. The trip of deer park, and if you come to Malda for a day trip, you must include this particular Adina deer forest in your itinerary. It's a nice place and good forest type of environment, and it is worth visit this place. So do add this particular place in your itinerary.